Today I want to show you how to create this beautiful crochet hair clip. To make this hair clip base, I have used white color yarn, and to make this flower and the I have used DMC thread. Here I am using the 2.25mm crochet hook. Let's begin with chain 13. My foundation chain is complete. Now I am going to make the next row. For the next row, skip the first chain, and from the second chain I am going to make single crochet. Make single crochet into the each and every chain across. In the last chain I am going to make increase. For this I am going to make 4 single crochet into this same chain. After making 4 single crochet in the same place, make single crochet in the other side of the row in each and every stitch. In the end of the other side of the row, in the last stitch, I am going to make again 3 increase. For this I am making 3 single crochet into the same place. After making 3 single crochet, make a slip knot with join with the first row. For the next row, make a chain first and then single crochet all the stitch across. In the previous increase, means in the first row, I have made the 4 increase. In this place I will make 2 single crochet in the each increase. So we have a total 8 single crochet in 4 increase. After this I will make regular single crochet in the other side of the row. My 8 single crochet is done. Now I'll make single crochet up to end of the row. Now I'm going to make double crochet in the previous 3 increase. After this, make a slip knot to join with the row. For the last row, chain 1 and then make half double crochet in each stitch. Make 2 half double crochet in 4 stitch from previous row. After making 8 half double crochet into the 4 stitch, make again half double crochet in the last 3 stitch. We will make 2 half double crochet each. So last 3 remaining stitch we will make 6 half double crochet, and then after this join with the row with slip stitch. Now my base is complete. Now I will make the flower and the leaves with a DMC thread. Fasten off the yarn. I have made this flower with this DMC thread by crocheting. I have shown this earlier how to make this flower in my another video, crochet earrings video. If you want, then you can check this also. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching my videos first to last without music.